I'm delighted to be launching Supporting Your Staff's Mental Health, a programme for HSE managers, the new eLearning programme which has launched on HSELand. This programme was developed by the HSE HR Workplace Health and Wellbeing Unit in order to support HSE managers to have mental health conversations with their staff. It provides practical, concrete guidance to those with leadership and line management responsibilities on how to have a socially and emotionally intelligent conversation with a staff member about their mental health. It also supports positive mental health in the workplace, reducing stigma and normalising mental health issues. In the HSE, we have many excellent policies and guidance documents on how to support and manage our staff in line with international best practice in HR. However, what can sometimes be missing is the how-to of implementing these policies on the ground. What is really useful about this programme is it provides step-by-step guidance for managers on how to have a conversation that will support a staff member who is experiencing mental health issues and may require support. The programme includes clinical and admin scenarios on how to identify signs and symptoms that may indicate a staff member is experiencing mental health issues. It will guide you on how to best respond to and support that individual. It is a very welcome addition to the suite of supports provided for staff. The programme itself takes approximately 30 minutes to complete. To access the programme, search Supporting Your Staff's Mental Health, a programme for HSE managers on HSELand. We encourage you to use this programme, which will be supportive and beneficial for you in your day-to-day work with your team. Thank you.